Description: Intensify shine, protect and brighten color and condition. For normal to fine hair. Packaging may vary. Benefits: Intensify shine, protects color, soften, define style, use wet or dry. Suggested use: Use wet. Apply to damp hair and style. Use dry. Detail into dry hair. For maximum restoration, press with hair iron. Bassu Moisture, love your shine and condition. Nature provides superior ingredients for hair care, skin care and hair color. Your hair deserves the best products the earth can provide. Support and finish your style with Surface Hair's Bassu styling products. From our hydrating moisture mask to our shine spray, you'll look and feel amazing. Certified Organic Babassu Oil is a non-drying penetrating oil that is beneficial for either dry or oil skin and hair by restoring moisture, adding shine and protecting color. Moringa Oil, Babassu Oil, Aloe, Flax Seed Oil, Amaranth. Top reviews from the United States. Love this stuff for hydrating without weighing my hair down. I am sensitive to a lot of different products, but I can use this product liberally without any reaction.